in Mongolia, they have been very successful in fighting desert. In the Kubuchi Desert, they have brought life to the desert, green trees to the desert, and by that fighting sand and dust storms in China. Now China is taking a lot more of a global leadership role.
Platforms like the Eco Forum, where these matters can be discussed with people from all over the world, both to understand the international experience as well as to learn from the China experience, because now China is also in the lead in terms of eco-civilization, in terms of technology and innovation solutions, and we need to learn about those.
So China can truly set the pace, and if China sets itself and commits to do something, they can do it. China has stepped up its contributions recently and in a very significant